We've disembarked off our ship and we've seen Odyssey of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. Massive size difference.
Here we are in Kusadasi, by the way, guys. Kevin forgot to tell you all, but we're in Kusadasi, Turkey this morning.
This is the bazaar. Our bazaar. Check this out, they even admit it. You can get genuine fake watches from here.
Yes, almost real.
It's pretty cool. Oh, you can see there's all sorts of shops here. It's crazy.
Maybe.
It's a bazaar. Look at this, you can even get the Mona Lisa here instead of going to the Louvre.
Look at the beautiful rugs.
She's making them over there. That's the lady making the rugs. They're handmade.
How long does it take her, I
Oh,
wonder?
God knows. This is called a Kevin Ange. We saw one on our trip to Turkey last time. It's a place where travellers and merchants go to rest. You can see there's lots of restaurants in the port. Restaurants and shops, ice cream, whatever you want.
Even a Starbucks. So that's our little adventure in Kusadasi.
Little, yes.
Little, yeah, little indeed. We didn't go to Ephesus. It's very hot out there, and also, I don't know how, but I've developed a very swollen foot. You want to see it? Very swollen.
That's a little foot. That's other swollen little foot. I don't know why it's swelled up like that.
I'm guessing it's from our walk down in Santorini.
Yeah, it's from the walk down the stairs in Santorini where you were stiff as a tin man.
I was very scared and I stiffened, and also I did feel a few times that my ankle turned. And I was putting all my weight on it because I have broken, or rather fractured, the other ankle. So I really killed it, I smashed it. And therefore we decided to just hang around in the town centre here. We just went to the Grand Bazaar and had some coffee and did some shopping. So there is a lot more of Kusadasi to see. We just didn't do it. A lot of people are telling us that they went to Mary's last home, or whatever it's called, and Ephesus and whatnot. But we thought we'd give it a break because I need to get my foot better before this wedding that we have on Saturday in Serbia. So yeah, we'll show you some of Nafbril tomorrow. Hopefully my foot will be better by then. So there we go.